guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be on how to get beachy hair with a straightener. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I get this type of wave in my hair, then keep on watching. This guy's a troublemaker. Can you tell? I love you too. Mwah. As always, if you guys like these types of videos, then please give it a big thumbs up. It lets me know what to film more of. And you guys can subscribe to my channel as well. I upload here 2 to 3 times a week, and hit the little bell notification so you don't miss out. Alright, let's get started. So the most important thing here that we're going to need is a flat iron, a straightener, whatever you want to call it. I use one by Paul Mitchell. And first we're going to section off our hair. So the first front framing piece is going to go away from your face. Make sure to rotate the iron as well as leave those ends straight. The next piece is going to go towards your face. So you are rotating which way your curl is going in. So again, the most important thing for beachy hair is to make sure that the front framing pieces of your face are going to be curled away from your face, and then the rest are going to be going away from your face, towards your face, and you are rotating each piece of hair. And leave those ends straight as well. Once we're done with all the hair, we're going to take some sea salt spray, spray it through your hair, and then run your fingers through your hair to separate each piece of hair. After that, you're going to scrunch the hair as well, just to give a more effortless, beachy, piecey look. And that's all there is to it. So I hope you guys learned something new. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as well. I love beachy waves because I think that they look so effortless, and I think it's super easy to do with a straightener. If you have shorter hair, it's definitely easier to do with a straightener than a curler, because with a curler you can burn yourself. So this kind of fits all hair types, right? So I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye! Say bye. Mwah.